Lo mphakathi waseRivali nozungezwe yimjondolo yasezamimpilo uthi usulala ubenyoni. Ukhala ngokwanda kwabamba igolide ngongemthetho kule ndawo othi bahlezi bedubulana namaphoyisa.
Amaphoyisa angena apha ezamimpilo day and night ekoleka imali. Unobanga bakufiwe kanje nje kungenxa yabo babo bona bakoleka imali apha kule zamazama. Lezamazama ibulalayo. Yiyo lento isidinayo kubo.
Siphila kabuhlungu sisangifuna uqamamanga. Melulale ubhekile ngoba ibhamu every time salukhu usuke engaphumulwa ngalukuthi ibhamu ayisesiyabonga silala kabuhlungu lala ubhekile lapha sinezingane thina.
Ngenyanga eyedlule kudutshulwe abantu abayisikhombisa okubalwa kubo nengane encane. Izolo kudutshulwe kwabulawa umuntu oyedwa kwalimala abathathu ngesikhathi amaphoyisa elandela imoto ebisolisa nebalekele kule mjondolo.
Our members were conducting a routine patrol on the main road here last night just after 7 o'clock when they spotted a Toyota buggy with 3 occupants who looked suspicious. The police tried to stop this buggy, but instead the driver accelerated. He ignored the police. It is then that the police gave chase to the buggy until the buggy went into this informal settlement.
It was just a war zone from Commando Road up until down there at Avon. The residents of Extension 3 as well, they were affected because bullets were flying over their houses.
Isidumbu salomuntu sitholwe ngabantu abebezidlulela ngendlela namhlanje ekseni. Umndeni ufuna izimpendulo.
I'm heartbroken. My brother, to see my brother lying in the street with gunshot wounds. I'm so, I don't know. I can't explain how I feel.
Akaboshwa umuntu ngaleli cala. Amaphoyisa aphenya icala lokubulala.